Hello, and welcome to my channel, Smart Money Flow, where we explore smart systems for building income streams that work for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a fully automated content machine using only free AI tools, a system that can save you time, generate traffic, and even earn passive income, all while running on autopilot. This isn't theory. It is a step-by-step strategy that you can start implementing today with zero budget and zero tech experience. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or total beginner, this system can help you work less while growing more. Let's jump right in. First, what is a passive content system? It's not a one-time setup where you disappear forever. It's a system that runs with minimal input, a repeatable engine that takes your ideas and transforms them into videos, blog posts, and social content with the help of AI. Once you build it, it keeps working for you 24/7, and yes, we're doing all of this with 100% free tools. Step 1 is idea generation. Every good system starts with a steady flow of content ideas. Instead of brainstorming from scratch, go to a free tool like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Type in your niche, for example, personal finance tips for students or affiliate marketing for beginners, and ask for 50 video ideas. In seconds, you'll have a huge batch of high-performing content topics. You can even ask the AI to group them by theme or pillar, like saving money, side hustles, or investing basics. That gives you a full content calendar on autopilot. Step 2 is scripting. Once you've picked a topic, tell ChatGPT, write me a 500-word YouTube script about how to save money as a student. Or, if you're making a longer video like this one, just ask for a 1,500-word YouTube narration script. Okay? You can also add special requests like tone of voice, target audience, or structure. The result? A complete script that's clean, engaging, and ready for voiceover. You just saved hours of work. Step 3. Voiceover. Don't want to use your own voice? No problem. There are free AI voice tools like ElevenLabs, which offers realistic voices with free credits. You paste in your script, choose a voice, and download the audio. If you prefer to keep it even simpler, use CapCut's built-in AI voice feature. It allows you to add text-to-speech voiceovers directly in the timeline. Just copy and paste your script, and CapCut will generate a smooth, natural voice that fits your video perfectly. Step 4 is creating the actual video. Start with a blank CapCut project. Upload your voiceover, then begin adding visuals. This can be anything from stock footage to AI-generated images. CapCut offers a huge built-in library of free stock videos, transitions, background music, and effects. If you're building faceless videos, this is where tools like ElevenLabs or Lumen 5 come in. They take your script and voiceover and automatically create visual scenes that match the narration. With a little editing in CapCut, your video is ready for publishing, and you never had to pick up a camera. Step 5. Multiply your content. A long-form YouTube video can easily turn into several short-form clips. Use tools like Clip, which automatically cuts your video into shorts, reels, or TikToks. It detects the best moments, adds captions, and formats everything in portrait mode. You've just created 5 or more extra videos without lifting a finger. Step 6. Schedule your content. This is where the passive system really kicks in. Use free scheduling tools like Buffer, Metricool, or even Canva's Content Planner. Upload your long video for YouTube and schedule your short videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts. You can post for an entire month in one sitting. The tools handle the rest. Step 7. Boost your reach with SEO. If your content isn't optimized, it won't get discovered. Use free tools like Ubersuggest, Google Trends, or Keyword Tool.io to find what your audience is searching for. Then go back to ChatGPT and say, "Rewrite my script using the keyword 'How to Save Money Fast' 3 times naturally." Do the same with your video titles, descriptions, and hashtags. AI will handle it all. No SEO background required. Step 8. Monetization. Now that your content is running on autopilot, let's talk about getting paid. You can add affiliate links from platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, or Impact to your video descriptions. Promote digital products, tools, or services related to your niche. For example, if you're in the finance niche, link to budgeting apps or investing platforms. Want to capture emails and build an audience? Use a free email marketing platform like ConvertKit. Offer a free lead magnet like a checklist, cheat sheet, or ebook created in ChatGPT and Canva. Add your email link to every piece of content and start building a list. You can even set up a Stan Store or Koji page to host everything: affiliate links, downloads, email forms, all in one place. The system is now a funnel. Content brings in views, views bring in clicks, and clicks bring in revenue automatically. Let's run through the full system one more time. 1. Use ChatGPT or Gemini to generate dozens of content ideas. 2. Turn those ideas into full scripts with a single prompt. 3. Add AI voiceover with ElevenLabs or directly in CapCut. 4. Create engaging faceless videos using free B-roll or AI visuals. 5. Repurpose long content into short-form clips using OptusClip. 6. Schedule everything across platforms with Buffer or Metricool. 7. Optimize titles, descriptions, and hashtags with free SEO tools. 8. Monetize with affiliate links, lead magnets, and product funnels. You now have a complete system that can run with just a few hours of input per week. You don't need expensive software, a production team, or a huge budget. You just need the right tools and the discipline to follow the system. So, is it really passive? Mostly. You'll still need to check analytics, come up with fresh ideas, and make small tweaks. But compared to doing everything manually, this system can save you 90% of your time, and it scales effortlessly. You make more by doing less. And once your content library starts to grow, it keeps working for you long after you've created it. Old videos still bring in views. Affiliate links still convert. Your system keeps flowing even when you're offline. Not harder. Thanks for watching my channel, Smart Money Flow. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on passive income, automation, and digital systems. I hope to see you in the next video.